who says you can't have a crumble in summer? And we are making it super summery, so let's get baking. In this bowl, I have some plain flour, some lemon zest, and I've also got some salt. So I'm gonna pop all of that in here. Also have some oats as well. These are gonna help give the crumble a little bit of a crunch. Obviously, because we're using summer berries, it's quite a soft mixture and a little bit wet, so we're just gonna add these to give it a bit more texture. Then we have some granulated sugar and some dark brown sugar. We have some cubed butter, so I'm going to add all of this as well. This is cold. We're going to rub it between our fingers and mix it all together. You can do this with just the flour first, so you can just put the flour and the butter together. I just put it all in one most of the time. So I like to stop when we get to this stage. So as you can see, most of it is kind of like a breadcrumb texture, but there's still pockets of butter as well, and I really like those pockets of butter in a crumble because they melt really nicely. So I'm going to wash my hands and then put this to one side, and then we'll put it all together. Let's talk about the berries. I have a pack of summer mixed fruit, and this is from Tesco. It comes in a frozen bag. It's 500 grams, which is the perfect amount for the crumble. You're absolutely fine to use frozen fruit. You can use fresh fruit as well if you want to. If you find that the frozen fruit is a little bit watery, you can just take some of the excess water out, but this one isn't watery at all. In here, I have some dark brown sugar and some flour as well. I'm just going to pour this all over and we're going to mix it together. This is going to help us absorb some of the juice that comes out of it. So we're going to give that a stir together and get everything coated nicely. And then we can pour all of our crumble on top. Now, I like heavy crumble. So I'm just going to pour all of this over. Make sure I've got everything covered. So I'm just pressing this down slightly just to compact it all in. Okay, so that is ready for the oven. I've got my oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. That's for a fan assisted oven. And we're going to bake this for about 30-ish minutes. The fruit is going to cook quite quickly, so I'm not worried about the fruit cooking, but I do want the crumble to have cooked all the way through, and I want it to be nice and golden on top as well. The crumble is out of the oven. It smells delicious. It's bubbling away, it's lovely and golden on top. And the best thing about crumble, you can eat it warm. You don't have to wait for it to cool down. So that is what I am gonna do. So I'm gonna grab some of the crumble. Oh, it looks so good. And then I have some warm custard here. So I'm gonna pour that on top. Crumble and custard, delicious. And we can try it straight away. Although it's gonna be very hot. I didn't really think this through. I should have waited a little bit. I've literally just taken it out of the oven and I'm like, eat it. That's like my third spoonful. Oh, by the way, I forgot to put the lemons in. The lemons need to go in with the fruit. Just a squeeze of lemon juice just to bring out the flavour a little bit more. I am literally gonna eat all of that up. And it's 30 degrees today. But it does taste summery, so it counts, right? I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.